Hi, my name is Rahul Mavi. My real age is 16 years. My screen age is 18 years. My height is 5 feet 6 inch. My weight is 59. I am from East MP and my current location is Gujarat. My languages I know Hindi, Gujarati and बम्बैया हिंदी. अपन की पकड़ बम्बैया हिंदी में भी बहुत अच्छी है बेड़ू और मैंने गुजराती भी बहुत सारी आवड़े से. मैं हिंदी में भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से बात कर सकता हूँ. My skills is editing, dancing and swimming. My hobbies is painting. I have done 3 months acting course from Join to Bollywood Academy. I am a fresher and my profile sir. This is my left profile. This is my front profile sir. This is my right profile. Thank you.